Sanibonani, welcome back to enye video. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ungene. Thank you very much. Ngiyabonga kakhulu you guys. Now kunodaba engilibona lapho olumayelana ke nobaba ke uSiputla Sibogodi ukuthi kuthiwa akasekho emhlabeni you guys. Isuke ezidlulile ngeke ngabona kunesithombe sakhe ka X, kakhulukazi lapha na ka X you guys, that was Twitter before. Bekhuluma ukuthi look at Siputla Sibogodi, this man looks like he's struggling. What are the sasithombe nje abantu beza bazothi no guys, he's not struggling man, bebe shooter. I do not know what were they talking about kule ndawo you guys. Ngayiziba nje but ngabona nje isithombe sakhe lesizosihlahlela on my screen sifakiwe kunabantu abathi oh look at him you guys, oh this life, oh celebrities are struggling, oh what but abantu bathi no ways you guys, they were just shooting a movie in ngisuke ezidlulile nje you guys. Namhlanje mangivula lana ke kuthiwa ke akasekho emhlabeni, I'm like yo guys, like babemhlolelani inkosi yami, kodwa babemhlolelani ubaba uKenneth Mashaba. Simazi kakhulu kungeli kaKenneth Mashaba laphana ke kwi-Generations, noma mhlawumbe ngabantu ababemazi vele ukuthi akaphilile kahle angazi, kodwa babesiphosile lesa sithombe engathi nje akabukeki kahle, you know what I mean. But babethi inhlupheko, abanye bethi no you guys, they were just shooting. Manje kwanamhlanje ngibona indaba zokuthi akasekho emhlabeni, I'm like hayibo, kanti kwenzakalani nkosi yami? Kubikwa ukuthi akasekho emhlabeni uSiputla Sibogodi waduma kakhulu ke kuleli ngokudlala indawo kaKenneth Mashaba laphana kwi-Generations. Istatimende ke uSibogodi udlule emhlabeni ngoLwesithathu mhla ka-15 kwephezulu ngemva kokuba ke enezinkinga ezihlobene nesifo sikashukela. Ibingakakhishwa ke eminye imininingwane, kanti kumndeni wakhe ucela ke ukunikeza isikhathi sokubhekana nalesi simo ngasizo. Kusho ukuthi nje ugazi behlukunyezwa iyo leshukela. Inkosi yami we, manje babephosa bethi struggling babekhuluma ngani? Inkosi yami, yazi u-social media nayo sometimes inhlangano yabalingisi ki-Actors Spaces ikhaleke ngokugqemeka ingozi engeqwantwala, wathi sidabuke kakhulu ngokudlula emhlabeni komlungisi odumile uSiputla Sibogodi omsebenzi wakhe omangalisayo ubumbe umlando omuhle kwezokulingisa eNingizimu Afrika kusukela ekulingiseni okungasoze kwalibaleka kwithelevishini kuya-ke kubeni umakhonya kwezeshashalazi. Umnikelo wakhe kwezobuciko ushiya ifa elihlala njalo elizoqhubeka nokukhuthaza iminyaka eminingi ezayo. Bebhale ephepheni Solezwe bathi silijude emndenini ke kubangane kozakwabo kanye nabo bonke abathintekayo ade kuthinta impilo yabo. Sekwangathi ke ifa lakhe lingaqhubeka liphile ngezindaba ezilandisa kanye namaciko amaningi awakhuthazile. Bekubhala laphana ke inhlangano ezinkundleni zokuxhumana. Kunestatement, I think the statement is from umndeni. Bengifuna ukuthi ke ngingene sibone lesa statement you guys. It's so sad man, abantu babemposta nje you guys, kanti kukhona okuzayo. Ngeke bafowethu kwaze kwakubi we yo ubaba uSiputla bafethu. Awuthi ngizume nje ngoba ke bebhale ngefonti nje encane, ifonti yakhona ithi ngibone media statement. Siputla Sibogodi, the immediate family of Siputla Sibogodi confirms with profound sadness his passing on the evening of the 15th of July 2026 following complications related to diabetes. The family kindly requests privacy as they mourn this immense loss and navigate this difficult time together. Siputla Sibogodi leaves behind an extraordinary legacy in South African theatre and television. He will be remembered for his memorable performances in Generations, Suburban Bliss, Bophelo ke Semphego, Redemption, and most recently Scandal, as well as his acclaimed theatre work in productions including Big Dada, Waiting for Godot, something like that, The Rivonia Trial, Once a Pirate, and the Moy Street Moves, among many others, because his legacy will live on through his remarkable body of work and the many lives he touched. The Sibogodi family, please forward any queries to blah blah blah. There's an email there. Ifonti ngani kakhulu bafethu bengistruggle ukufunda yo. Angeke you guys, ubaba uKenneth Mashaba kanti abantu bempostile bemhlolela inkosi yami yo, noma mhlambe ngabantu ababemazi ukuthi akaphilile, kodwa ke kwafika abantu bathi no you guys, they were shooting. Mina ngathi angingenikele ngathi bakhuluma into engekho lana ngobaba uKenneth Mashaba nkosi yami. Unokuthi nje abantu bengakubona nje uzirelaxele ungekho emsebenzini, ungekho out in the public, uyihlalele nje endaweni yakho u-comfortable bese kuthi ake nimbukeni usenjani kwayibona iyona nto nje yafike ekhanda lami ngathi abantu abayeke ubaba uKenneth Mashaba. Nkosi yami, kanti uvele nje akaziphilele umuntu wenkosi. Kuthiwa akasekho emhlabeni bafowethu nkosi yami, kwaze kwakubi. Silijude emndenini bafowethu nakunye nabo bonke kade besondelene naye, this is so sad. It's really really sad. Shame man, ubaba uKenneth Mashaba. Ukufa.